It's time to craft. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, if you remember from the Target haul, or was that Michael's? It was the Michael's haul, I'm sorry, where I had the JOY leaves that I found. I am creating my first DIY using these. Of course, it's spelled out yours truly name, Joy. And I am just taking them, gluing them at the bottom on a base that I had already painted. And I actually found when I was doing some cleaning up of my office. And I'm adding some Spanish moss. You see, I found my big bag of moss that I purchased at, where was that? The Carolina Pottery. And that is that for that DIY. And now I have a small can here, and I am making a floral arrangement using this can. And I was painting without my gloves, so I had to put my gloves on. And one of them ended up ripping, so I had to struggle to find another one. But as you can see, I am painting the can in the Cashew color by Waverly chalk paint, and I will be dry brushing the Harvest Orange by Apple Barrel that you can purchase at Walmart. Actually, both of these paints you can purchase at Walmart, and I'm just dry brushing it all over the can. And then you will see me add the burnt umber paint, which is also by Apple Barrel, and distress that as well on top of the orange to mute it a little bit, as well as give it more of a fall vibe to tie in with the color of the letters JOY. And really that's all it is. These are 3 simple DIYs. And I have some maple leaf fall picks that I actually purchased from the DollarTree. You see that acorn on there, some berries on the side. I will be actually removing this actual floral pick to complete the third DIY. Now, when I say this DIY was, the third one was easy, to me it was easy, but to someone else, if you don't have the tools to do this, it could be difficult. So as you can see, I am going to do the same thing that I did with the other can. This is going to be a pumpkin tree. So I've taken the Cashew paint, again by Waverly chalk paint, the Harvest Orange by Apple Barrel, and the burnt umber by Apple Barrel, all of which you can purchase from Walmart. And I am just painting the can. And as you can see, I'm dry brushing the burnt umber paint all over it. And it's heavy dry brushing or distressing, whichever you prefer. I can't wait for you guys to see the end of this particular DIY. And now I'm adding the stem to this pumpkin. And I have the maple leaves with these bright orange and yellow, reddish color. Wrap it around the stem of the pumpkin. And the berries, I've glued those on top. And now I have a piece of this stem, one of the long stems that I used in a previous DIY. And now I am going to use that as the tree trunk or the tree, and we are going to add these leaves on top of it. Now, I made the mistake of cutting these, so I had to end up switching them out for the ones that was in the first DIY. And as you can see, I have some string, and I am just tying a knot. Actually, it's the twine, the jute twine, and I am just tying a knot to make sure that they being the leaves, stay on this long stem that we are using as the tree. And now those loose pieces that I cut in the DIY, I am actually putting them in the smaller can. This is where I told you that I was switching them out. I can't wait for you to see this in. I absolutely love it. It's cute. And guys, so far there's no rain, so I'm going to get through this DIY without things going dark, and I am happy about that. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. As you can see, I have my drill here, and I drilled a hole behind the pumpkin stem. That way I can have the illusion that the pumpkin is a part of the tree. Now, I know pumpkins don't grow from a tree, they grow from the ground, but hey, we're crafters. We can make it do anything we want it to do. Just pretend with me, okay? Pretend with me. Or maybe we can say that the pumpkin is sitting in front of a tree. How about that? And now I'm adding one of those burlap flower stickers to the front of it to give it some character. And I have my stems that I cut down from a stick that I had previously, and to give and as you can see, I have fixed the stem in the hole that I drilled inside the tin can or the pumpkin, right behind the stem of the pumpkin. And here are all the DIYs, and now I'm creating a little messy bow with the raffia or the hula skirt that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just cutting it down because it was too long for the front of the can. And as you can see, look at that. Isn't she cute? Joy. I love it. And then I've styled it with this scarecrow with her cute self and this cute pumpkin that was part of another DIY. And now this is the look with the can and the scarecrow. It is cute as well. I love it. All these traditional colors that I'm not decorating in this year. And look at this, guys. Isn't it cute? My fall tree with a pumpkin underneath. Look at this. I love it. So if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. Now, for those not cute, look at that. They are adorable. I hope you all enjoyed watching and seeing me craft these items. And if you want the longer form of these, just leave me a comment, especially the one for the tree. Just let me know and I will upload it separately. But until the next DIY, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.